Oh my God! Ayun, natandaan ko na.
Our breakfast for today is
Hello guys, 2:31 PM. Today, we have a trip. This is just a quick trip sa La Union. I'm trying to open it kasi nakalimutan ko yung password na nilagay ko. Bala ko rin sana mag-maleta because we have a trip for Baguio and Zambales. Ayun, pinifigure out ko pa rin kasi ang pagkakatanda ko, birthday ko, nilagay ko dito na password. It's either 423023. 4 is month of my birthday. 2 is 22. And then 3 is my year. Ah! Oh my God! Ayun, natandaan ko na. Let's go pack my clothes.
Okay guys, it is now currently 4:36. Pero nakatapos mamili ng damit. So, hindi ko pa rin alam kung dadaling ko pa rin ba itong damit na to. Dadaling ko, baka kasi biglang mag-eco park na lang kami. And of course, kung mag-iilog kami, pambahay na lang talaga pang iilog. Alangan naman na mag-outfit pa tayo, dude. Pero on the way sa province, I'm gonna be wearing this white brown top from Pen Shop. This jorts from TikTok Shop. Ito lang siya, jorts lang siya. This is just the bag that I'm gonna be using. 11:56, we just arrived. Kain lang kami guys.
Good morning guys. Now currently 6:80. Nakatulog na kami ng 2:30ish. Kunin ko lang yung toothbrush ko. My moisturizer is from Original. I love this moisturizer so much. This is my sunscreen. This is from J Skin Beauty. Last na gamit ko kagabi.
Hello guys, it is now currently 11 AM. Dito, sobrang lakas ang hangin. As you can see naman, napag-decided na lang na mag-iilog na lang kami. Dito lang kami, nag-chill-chill lang kami dito. Ligo kami ng ilog. (7:43) guys. We are currently here at Mirador Hill Peace Memorial. I'm with Warly. Kasama namin yung buong Evergreen. Balik mo natin sa SM. Bala ko rin balik yung polo eh. Mas mo sa Dior. Bango din to. Zero. Sarap pero may...
PM. We just checked in to our Airbnb. Kaya na tayo sa room. Check-in kasi is 2 PM. Nakarating kami sa Baguio by 6 AM. Dito kami mag-room sa taas. Sobrang ganda dito. Pero mainit lang. Kulang pa ng isa pang fan.
Our plan tonight, night market.
Let's go.
Daming tao dito. Daming tao. 11:24. We just finished shopping. Wait namin sila dito.
Pagod! 11:51. We just got back from the... Let's have a quick haul. For Doroy ba yun? Black and white shorts. And then white top. Yun lang naman yung mga nakambili ko.
We're here sa Mines View.
Yes, we are here in the Mines View.
Picture kami with the dog. Merong horse doon. 1-year-old pa lang daw yung aso. 1-year-old pero ang laki ng aso. We are back at the house because we are going to change our clothes. Then, kukunin namin yung tarpaulin. Tada! This is the fit. And later night na lang kami bibili ng mga pasalubong. Bukas pa kami pupunta ng Zambales! 11:16 and we are here at the mansion. May mga Igorot costumes dun na pwedeng i-try for 50 pesos. Seafood. So we are now here at the Baguio Market. Shop pasalubong, magpa-pedicure and food spa. So let's go and I'm so excited to shop. We are here at SM67. We are here to buy SD card for my Digicom. Ilan ba yun? Wala po kayong 32 lang. Ay, wala kasi yung card. Let's go. Let's go, Zambales! Ay, go. Thank you so much, Baguio. Wag mo na ha! Ay, kaya lalabas ka. It's from Shein. We're going to pair it with this turtle on it. Let's change it. This is also from TikTok. Siguro hair muna ayusin mo sa akin.
Dami bang tao sa labas eh? Baka eksenadora talaga na.
Mirror shot tayo sa labas.
Okay guys, it is now currently 6:30 p.m. We are here at Samba Beach Resort here at Zambales. Literal na blue beach siya. Sobrang blue ng water and the sunset. Chef's kiss. See? Sobrang ganda. Tomorrow, we have a schedule for a private yacht. 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. because it is our last day of our trip. Tapos na kami mag-photoshoot, mag-video. All I need to do is change my clothes. Our breakfast for today is fried rice, sunny egg, bangus. Kanin lang daw. Alam mo ito namin para kaming imposible. Sobrang pula ba ng moto ko? Palalaking particles sa tubig. Dami nyo sa ligo. Antayin ko niyang mapapikit cuts. Gaganunin nyo. Thank you pa. Sobrang na-enjoy namin yung trip namin. Kung habang man kayo dito sa dulo ng video, thank you so much guys for watching. I-edit ko na siya ng mabilisan para, you know, hindi tayo sobrang late upload. Dito na mag-end yung vlog for today's trip. I hope you like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you guys on my next one.
About all types of things. You remind me of the Arizona thunder. Satisfied.